In this video, I'd like to show you how to fix a common issue that you might face when trying to set the network setting to use a NAT network. So, for example, now I have Kali Linux, and if you want to modify the network setting for any of the virtual machines, you'd usually come into settings and you'd go to network, and you can set the network setting from here. Now, if you go to a NAT network, you'll see that I can select this particular network 1020/14 NAT, and this network has been automatically created by VirtualBox, so I actually didn't need to create it. But sometimes VirtualBox, for some reason, doesn't actually create this network automatically. So once you select a NAT network, you see in the name here that there is no networks and that you can't select anything. So if you had that issue, all you have to do is cancel this, go to VirtualBox, Preferences, go to Network, and in here just click the plus sign. Now you can see it created another network for me called NAT Network. So click on OK. Then you can go back to the machine that you want to set the network setting for. For example, let's go back to Kali Linux. Go to Settings, Network, select NAT Network, and you'll see that you can select the new network that you created right here. So we have the network that we just created now, and it's called NAT Network. So you can select that, press OK, and now your settings are set. So, as I said, usually VirtualBox create these NAT network for you automatically. If it didn't, then you can follow this lecture to set it up and create a NAT network for your virtual machines.